Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I am 𝐒𝐲𝐵. If you're new here, welcome, wagwan. Make sure to say subscribe down below and make sure to say join the family. So for today's video, we are getting into this hair, this lace, this everything. So this hair is from RPGhair.com and I'm wearing their Yaki straight, or is it a kinky straight? So it is a kinky straight 13x6 HD lace frontal. And when they say HD, they weren't playing, because honey, this lace, where it's giving natural. This is their natural edge, like a more kinky texture edge, because you know us girls with the 4 type hair, if we were to straighten our hair or blow dry it, we wouldn't have silky straight edges. We'll still have that yaki kinky type look, and the lace is looking hella natural. No, I didn't put any edge control or anything at all on this lace. All I did was put hot comb on the parting just to flatten it a bit, and then I straightened the hair, but I didn't do anything at all to the edges. I just brushed them in because they came a little bit on the coily side, and if I was to straighten my hair, I wouldn't leave my edges coily. I would try to get close to the root as possible. But anywho, girl, it's just everything. I got it in 18 inches. It is 180% density, meaning that's how thick the hair is, and it's giving like a natural silk press look, and I am loving it. I know a lot of people be like, oh, lace frontal is dead. No ma'am, I'm not here for the heat damage. Like, I've straightened my hair a couple of times and I know my hair cannot take that on a daily type of thing. Like, it just can't happen with my natural hair. I can't be straightening it every single day. So I'm gonna put on a HD lace, and this lace is giving very much natural. So if you're tired of straightening your hair, you just still want that straight, kinky straight natural look, giving Y2K aesthetic vibe, this wig is for you. Like, girl, I layered the front a bit. As I said, I got an 18 inches, so it's 18 all around, but I wanted a layering to, you know, like shape my face, so that's what I did. And the hair is just bomb diggity fresh. So I didn't experience any shedding with this hair, which is what I love about RPGhair. Top 5, and it ain't number 5. Okay, their lace is excellent, and the quality of their hair, beautiful, absolutely stunning. So anywho, that's just the gist. Just letting y'all know the 411 on this here before we get into the installation. So if you want to see how I install and customize this unit, you just keep on watching. Alright, beautiful people, jumping straight into the video, I'm going to show you guys what the hair is looking like straight out of the package. And look at that natural edge. It is giving natural straight out of the package. This is what the end looked like. I didn't experience any shedding with this hair. So what I like to do, the first thing that I do is lay the parting down. Like, I go in with some wax stick, and then I go in with a hot comb. Now you can get a wax stick on the website, so you can add it to your package. Sometimes the companies give it to you, but you want to add that because it's something that you will always need when you install your wigs. Like, it is just essential. So after I flatten the parting, I'm just going to go in with my flat iron. No, I'm not going to do this silky straight because the hair is more kinky textured, and that's the look that I was going for. So I wanted like a natural hair blown out, then flat iron look. Then we're going to use our wig cap. And I am a lazy girl, so we don't do the ball cap method. It's too much work and we are too lazy to do all of that. So I'm gonna slick back my edges, and then I'm gonna put on the wig cap right away. Like, this is just my usual method of installing wigs. So this is what our lace is looking like, and then I'm gonna go in with some bronzing powder just to darken the lace a bit. Make sure that everything is blended. Since I'm already wearing makeup and all of that, I want to make sure that it's like just one tone. Now, babes, look at the edges on this wig before we even installed it. Like, it's looking super natural. Like, I am obsessed. Gagging. Okay, gag in, girl. Oh my god. So I always cut off around the ear first, just to make sure that everything is aligned like I wanted and needed to, so that I can wear this hair slick back if I wish to. Now once that's done, I just make some cuts in the lace, like 2 cuts, and this is gonna help me to navigate and melt the lace as best as I can without it lifting or not get too much of the lace lifted. Like y'all gonna see, it's just better to melt the lace when you get those little cuts in the middle. Now I'm gonna use my blow dryer to melt the lace, so I always spray under my lace and not on top. Because of the spray, it tends to be a little tacky and sticky, and it gives that glossy look on top, which, you know, makes it obvious on the frontal that you're wearing a frontal. Even though it's a frontal, like, you don't want it to look obvious in your pictures and then far away, like you just have this glossy look on the front. So I always get the best result when I spray it underneath. And then we're just gonna cut off the excess lace in the front. And girl, look how it is laying. Now I spray a little bit of the spray on the end of this comb, and then I just press down those edges that were lifted. Then we're gonna tie it down with this band to give it like a flawless melt. They call this the tension method because of the elastic, the pressure that it puts to melt the lace effortlessly. And I like when the hair frames my face, especially with straight hair in the front. I don't want it to be one dimension. I need it to have layers in the front. So I'm just taking my scissors and creating those layers. Then I use my flat iron to just give it a little bop, like a little black girl bop in the front, and it just frames my face a lot better when I do this. Now once I take off the band, this is what the hair is looking like. And then because I didn't put any makeup directly on the wig cap itself, I have to make sure that I put some powder on the parting so that, you know, you don't see the obvious line between my hair and the wig cap. And that is basically it for the install. Like, y'all know I like to do a little swoop to the doop action, and I'm like, no girl, this does not need any swoops. She is just freaking beautiful. Like, I didn't have to do much of anything, and I'm like, yeah, we need to do a little style with this. We can't just leave it down. So we're just gonna use our little claw clip right here and just put that in the back and flip it over and just give it a cute little quick do. And that is basically it. Let me know what you guys think about this style. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All the details will be in the description box down below for y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.